So, ngayon naman may dumating na groceries from Mayora. So, ngayon hindi ko na siya dinadala doon sa garage house kasi ako rin yung mahihirapan. Dadalhin ko rin siya dito sa bahay. So, akin na siyang i-haul. I-haul naman natin ngayon yung galing kay Mayora na yung niluluto natin ng mga gulay araw-araw na may manok kay Mayora. Tapos yung isang kong kapatid, meron siyang binibili ng mga vitamins, mga snacks, tinapay, kung ano mga kailangan nila doon. Pero si Mayora doon sa niluluto natin. Okay. Una muna is itong ang dami, manok. Ito guys, ito ay ilang pounds to? 5 pounds ba to? Or 10 pounds? For mother and father yan, yung niluluto ko. May tira pa from last time na konti na lang. Ginaganto ko guys siya. Para doon sa kanilang gulay. And then, ito pa. Chicken thighs naman to. Ay, pare-pareho yata. So, dalawang ganito guys. Ayan. Ah, ito pala. Nalilito. Ito yung may buto. Chicken thighs, ito yung walang buto. And then, ito yung may buto. And then, meron ulit tayo na spinach. So, isang lutuan to. Nilagay ko na to. Kasi, madali to guys mabulok. And then, more of itong coconut milk. Kasi pang lentihas or champurado. So, yan. Meron tayong tatlong coconut milk. And then, meron ulit tayo na broccoli. This is for my mom and dad. Ayan. Green na green para masustansya. And ito pa. Okay, so, okay. And then, ano pa? Ayun, cabbage ulit. Sabi ko, wag masyado na yung cabbage. Marami. Dahil kasi meron pa ako isang buo. Sabi ko, wag na muna. Hindi naman kayo masyado nangangain ito. So, yan. Dalawa. Ito pa yung isa. So, dalawa. Okay. And then, ano pa? Dalawa. Ito pala. Isa pa nito. So, dalawa nitong spinach. Tapos, sabi ko, bili ka na rin ng sibuyas. Kasi tuwing nagugulay ako sa kanila, laging may sibuyas. Pabili rin ako ng patatas. Kasi, pag minsan, hindi yung may sayote, yung minsan nilagay yung aking niluluto. Walang sayote, patatas yung nilalagay ko. Ayan. Ito yung sayote. Kasi wala naman ditong papaya. So, sayote. And lagi si mother, nagre-request guys siya ng gulay. Kaya lagi, chicken na may gulay. Tapos ito, meron din plantains. Masarap to sa gata, guys. Sa gata. Ayan, meron plantains. Sa atin, ito yung saba. Dito naman, ito yung pinakasaba natin. Plantains from ano to, Mexico. Okay? Yan. So, yan ang ating plantains. So, hayaan muna natin yan dyan. Ay, huwag palang okay, natutunan ko to nung bumili ako dati nito. Huwag mo siya lalagay sa plastic. Kasi, mag-uumpisa na siyang mag-mold. So, kailangan siyang nakabuyang-yang lang. Nakaganyan lang siya dapat. So, lalagay ko siya dito. Ang masarap pa nun yung may bilo-bilo. And then, meron din tayong, ba't kaya may lettuce? Hindi ko alam ba't may lettuce, pero pwede natin yung gulay eh. Ito. Tapos, merong, green onions. Yung pampalasa. Scallions. Tapos, ay, meron pa palang isa. Napakadami ito. Akala ko dalawa lang kasi naging 4 na. So, yun guys, ang padala ni Mayora. Tapos, meron, parang repeat performance lang siya from last time. Ito rin, masarap tong isahog sa ating gulay. Ito yung zucchini. Para siyang cucumber. Para siyang pipino. Pero ito guys ay kalabasa. Ito ay kalabasa. Na parang bukong kalabasa. Ang lasa. Ganyan. Okay guys, so yun lang ang ating haul for kina mother. And see you guys later. Napagod na ako ng pag-haul. And, ano pa bang sasabihin ko? I-impake ko muna to. And then, nagpapalambot na ako ng karne. So, ngayon, yung para bukas na mother at father, niluluto ko na ngayon. Nilalaga ko na para bukas hahalo ko na lang yung gulay. Kasi matagal magpakulo. Kasi gusto ni mother yung lutong-luto. Yung asin, parang nagtatagtaga na yung manok. So, kailangan siyang kumulo ng maraming beses. Okay, guys. So, see you later. Ito na, guys, yung chicken natin. Dito sa isa, malaki kasi to. Tigalwa. Ay, 4 na balot. 5 balot. Yung isa. Tapos ito naman, 4 lang kasi maliliit yung walang buto. Ginawa kong tigta-3. So, yan ang kina mother and father na karne. Ano lang, manok lang yung kinakain nila, guys. Isda naman, ayaw nilang isda dito. Iba raw ang lasa. Especially si mother. Si mother lang naman yung medyo pilian sa pagkain. Si father, kahit anong ibigay mo. Pero maliban nga sa baboy at baka, talagang chicken lang. Pareho ang gusto nila. So yun guys, if i-press ko na, dito ko na sa aking ref ilalagay kasi lagi akong pupunta doon, pipick upin doon, nahihirapan ako. Abala, tapos ako rin naman magduduto dito, pati mga gulay. Ayan guys, so dumating na ang aming mga bisita. May pinuntahan lang kami kanina. Pero dumating na sila guys, andito sila. Kami yung pinsan.
I'm thinking he's talking about Max and a hot spot on the dog. I don't know what for.
Bye, Max.
I can't forget my phone. It's charging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I use it even for GPS to get home.
Pauwi na sila. Magtagal sila dito simula umaga hanggang ano, siguro 6 na oras. Naglaro yung mga bata. Ayan na, nag-ride sila. Tsaka yung pinsan nila. Ayan, mga ride nila. Wow! 6 weeks old today. Oh my goodness, still nursing. I thought that... Oh.
When you came here, they start leaving.
They don't like my voice. Hey, no. Can the kittens go outside? To kind of...
Yeah.
They will go out on the deck a little bit, but they won't.
Oh, they're kind of scared. On the... Photo shoot! Photo shoot! They're scared. They're so used. They're indoor cats. Wow, photo shoot. All of them. Family picture.
What does this thing look?
Family picture.
Linda said she would take one of the orange ones if we wanted to.
Yeah.
Can give her
Not
tickles.
today.
Not today.
Not today. Okay. Tickles. Which one's Tickles? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, and this. Oh, Tickles. We will miss you, Tickles.
I want to keep Huckleberry in.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can be a box. Where's the wheel connected to the projector?
I can check.
So, yung aking hipag kukunin daw yung isang pusa.
Connected to the projector.
Ano?
Ayan. Hindi sila lumalabas talaga na, no? Ito yung kukunin ng aking hipag. Pero hindi ngayon. Pag lumaki-laki pa siya. It's a huckleberry. She's trying to num-num. Trying to num-num. Oh, cute.
Tell him he's got to get one of those screened-in tents.
Go back outside. It's better.
Oh.
Go back inside.
Oh, okay, for the kitten.
Oh.
Oh.
outside and they want one.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
It was not very expensive.
Mm.
That's what I did with mine. Get him outside. And...
Oh. Oh. Say hi to the kitten.
Okay, hunch.
Come on.
Hunching her back.
Oh.
he's like, no, I'm done. I'm done.
Making her.
Country.
Yeah,
To the babies.
Going to different clubs.
Say hi to the
they
babies.
try to make themselves look bigger
It's
when they get up.
okay.
Oh.
Kitten make
Yeah, when you're
their
up
self look
against a
bigger
bear.
than the giant.
Hello, Max. Which one do you like, Max? Max.
Oh.
Oi, she hisses already.
Cupcake and cupcake.
Oh, cupcake. I think that's Tickles. Cheesecake.
Be careful, he's right underneath you. Yeah, if you don't. Shock therapy.
Oh, she likes this one. This is
Yeah,
Tickles.
that's the one.
That's the
Yes.
one. That's the one.
It's the same color almost.
I know, yeah. Wow.
Like
How about this one? Oh.
Like the yellow ones.
Oh wow. They are so nice. This the
one's
orange
going back
ones.
Yeah, they are.
They're
Yeah,
really
he's going
nice.
back in.
They're very calm. They just sleep all
They
day.
remind me of Fluffy because they're really kind of
Hey,
laid
Ben,
back.
stop.
This one is feisty.
Yeah, they
Wow.
are.
I'm sorry, biting me.
Wow. Cute, cute.
No.
Get the Max.
You have to say goodbye, Jace.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, James.
Bye.
Thank you guys so much.
You're welcome.